Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all of my white fidgets. So let's get started. So first I'm going to do my stress ball then. Okay, let's see. So I have this white sushi. Super cute. I think that might be all. This is clear, I know that. I don't see anything else in this bin. So let's move on to the next bin. Okay, here we go. I have this cat mochi. Let's see. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Okay. I have this other white cat mochi that's like got some pink on it. I don't know why. It might have been from another mochi that was like laying on top of it or something. I do not have any white fidgets. Okay, here's another mochi. I have this dimple. I'm gonna count this as white. So far, I only have 4 white fidgets. So I have this. It's a ghost poppet. It's very nice. And then I have this dimple. I also have this dimple. And this is kind of like more like, yeah, this is white, I would say. It's color changing. So those are all my white fidgets, but I think the only color I have left to do is rainbow and orange. I know rainbow isn't really a color, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. The comments are probably off, but yeah. So yeah, my YouTube channel name is Pineapple Husky. Husky is spelled Huskey. So bye.